In other news, there seems to be an announcement sooner than later to remove more remaining indoor mask mandates. That's according to the nation's COVID Advisory Committee chair. In the meantime, a cruise ship full of travelers disembarked today at South Korea's Sokcho for the first time in 3 years. Jeong Eun-joo has more.
The South Korean government is considering a further easing of its antivirus restrictions as the country sees an overall downturn in the number of new COVID-19 infections. Jung Ki-suck, chair of the Government Advisory Committee for COVID-19, said in a press briefing Monday that whether and when the remaining indoor mask mandates will be lifted will be announced on Wednesday. Chung stressed the need, however, for high-risk groups to continue wearing masks in public places and called on doctors to expand the use of oral treatment pills. He added that the possible adjustment of regulations would be unlikely to pose major challenges to the country's virus responses, citing opinions from health experts. According to the Korea Disease Control and Prevention Agency, South Korea has managed the spread of COVID-19 in a stable manner despite a slight growth in the number of cases following the partial removal of the indoor mask mandate in January. The mask mandate is still in place at hospitals, pharmacies, and on public transportation. Meanwhile, the Ministry of Oceans and Fisheries said Monday that passengers disembarked from the Ahmadiyya cruise ship at a port in Sokcho on South Korea's east coast. The cruise ship carries about 500 travelers and 300 crew members. It's the first time a cruise ship based in a foreign country has stopped in the country with passengers on board since February 2020, when quarantine authorities restricted the entry of cruise ships due to the pandemic. Jeong Eun-joo, Arirang News.